If a cyber attack hit your business today, would you know exactly what to do? Most leaders hope it never happens, but hope isn't a strategy. Building a solid incident response plan is how you avoid chaos, confusion, and costly mistakes. Here's how I break it down, step by step. First, forget cookie-cutter templates. Start with your actual tech environment. List every critical system, app, and cloud platform your business relies on. Don't forget about vendors or those hidden systems running in the background. Next, connect the dots. Figure out which business processes depend on each system and set clear recovery priorities. Now, let's talk people. Big plans fail when everyone assumes someone else is in charge. Assign an incident coordinator, a technical lead, someone to make calls at the executive level, and a communications owner. Build out your escalation workflow. Who gets notified, when, and what actions can be taken right away. And don't overlook legal, insurance, and your key vendors. Once roles are set, create an actionable checklist. Guide your team from detection all the way through recovery. Preserve evidence, isolate affected systems, disable compromised accounts. Every step matters. Before restoring anything, double-check your backups and validate your security controls. After you're back online, do a lessons learned review. That's how you get better. But here's the kicker, your plan means nothing if you don't test it. Run practice drills, update your contacts and procedures, measure how fast your team can respond and recover. If you need help, I recommend reaching out to Technijian. They'll help you map dependencies, review your security posture, and get a real-world, actionable response plan in place. Prepare before you need it, because when an incident hits, you want to act, not react. Technijian can help organizations document technology dependencies, review monitoring and backup readiness, and prepare practical escalation workflows. Build your response plan before you need it, ready to protect your business. Call Technijian now at 949-379-8500 or visit technijian.com. Don't wait until it's too late. Take action today.